Hello, my name is Dan Grazier, and I am a technical marketing engineer with Cisco's Data Center Product Group. This video is part of a series that is intended to show some of the unique advantages made possible by Cisco's server offering called the Unified Computing System, or UCS for short. In this video, we'll discuss the role UCS plays in the VersaStack integrated infrastructure. Integrated infrastructure is seeing rapid adoption as customers appreciate the compelling benefits of networking, compute, and storage validated together, resulting in lower total cost of ownership by dramatically improved deployment and setup times, combined with management tools for using and maintaining the systems on an ongoing basis. The VersaStack platform is an exciting new integrated infrastructure offering, combining best-of-breed technologies from Cisco and IBM. The storage component of a VersaStack, the IBM StoreWise V7000, offers real-time compression without performance impact, as well as optimized performance from easy tier management locating the busiest data on the fastest tier of storage. VersaStack combines this with ACI-ready Cisco Nexus and MDS switches and Cisco UCS for compute, with unified management and provisioning provided by UCS Director. Now let's zero in on the advantages the UCS architecture brings to the VersaStack. With UCS, the switching functionality replicated in every chassis in legacy architectures is now abstracted out of the chassis and up into a single pair of fabric interconnects. These active-active fabric interconnects are highly available right out of the box. If one goes down, all traffic is automatically routed through the other one. Similarly, redundant active-passive management is embedded on these fabric interconnects. If one fails, the other instantly takes over management functionality, rather than requiring two management boards in every chassis. Cisco's unified management and unified fabric allow all servers in the domain, either rack or blades, to function and be managed as one large virtual chassis. Cisco's Virtual Interface Card, or VIC, allows software to define virtual network interface cards or virtual host bus adapters for a server, up to 256 on one card. Instead of being constrained by different combinations of physical cards in each server, the VIC enables the concept of statelessness, giving UCS management the flexibility to define the personality of a server in software using service profiles. UCS service profiles contain values for a server's property settings, including the virtual interface cards we just discussed, as well as MAC addresses, boot policies, firmware policies, fabric connectivity, and high availability information. By abstracting these settings from the physical server into a service profile, the service profile can then be deployed to any physical compute hardware, rack or blade, in the Cisco UCS domain. This enables an expert to define how a physical server is configured one time and then replicate that to many servers, allowing consistent, repeatable, and secure deployments. The UCS architecture is also highly scalable. One pair of fabric interconnects can support up to 20 chassis or 160 servers. Given the benefits we just addressed from service profiles, it takes little time to configure additional servers. This is in contrast to integrated offerings based on competing legacy architectures, where the maximum size of the system might be limited to 64, 41, or even just 32 servers, and does not come with the ease of deployment of UCS Manager. What if there is a need to scale beyond one domain, perhaps for multi-site deployment or to go beyond 160 servers? In this case, UCS Central can be used to provide global policies that can be applied across the domains, providing the same consistency seen for servers within one domain. To recap, complexity in setup, deployment, and ongoing management can be a challenge in many data centers, and VersaStack leverages the unified fabric and unified management foundation of Cisco UCS, combined with best-of-breed Cisco networking and IBM StoreWise storage, to provide an integrated infrastructure solution that is easy, efficient, and versatile. This ends this UCS Advantage video, where we show how unique capabilities in the Cisco UCS can lead to simplified deployment models with much faster service turnaround to meet the increasing demands of the business. please go to www.cisco.com/go/UCS for printed collateral, including a brochure that highlights the information shown in this video. Thank you.